Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a little update to the previous video. So definitely we learned that we don't know why yet, but Cloudflare and Google Cloud are being hit by some major problem. A lot of websites are down, a lot of their services are down, and this prevents a lot of websites from actually working right now. So if you look here, I looked at down detector, and you go down to the pages and look at the spike in the different services: Spotify, Google Cloud, Snapchat, Google Meet, Amazon Web Services too, Pokemon Go, Cloudflare, Character.ai, the UPS website, Discord, Google Maps, Etsy, Bell, Tillis. People are reporting problems across the board everywhere. So it really seems like there is something happening. It's probably a developing story. Is it some kind of, like I mentioned in the last video, is it some kind of distributed denial of service attack on these services, preventing a lot of their own services from working and the hosting from working properly? But definitely there's something happening. Even YouTube was apparently affected by it. So if you're going to some websites that usually are fine and it don't work, don't touch anything. It's not you. It's something happening. Will be interesting to see if we get any more news later on about what happened and why is this happening. My guess right now is if it's multiple services, my guess would almost be a distributed denial of service attack, a massive one that would be going on. So we'll see what happens next. We'll see if, because if it be a configuration problem, it would affect one big provider, but not everybody. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.